welcome back to my channel. For today I have another makeup tutorial for you guys. I've been getting a lot of requests to do more makeup tutorials, so you guys are going to get those. For today I have this here on my face. I think that's all I have to say, so if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. I really recommend you guys this palette. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. You guys need this, it's amazing. I'm going to start off with this color here in my crease. And for this, I'm going to use the Morphe M513. And for this look, I'm mainly going to focus on the outer V with the darker eyeshadows. And now I'm going into this color here, and for that I'm going to use my favorite blending brush, is Morphe M506. I need like 10 of these brushes because this is just the perfect brush for every eyeshadow look. And I'm going to do the same thing, but now a little bit more precise. And now I'm going into this color here. This is a really dark brown. Using the same brush, I'm going to deepen that outer V even more. And then blending out the edge with that first blending brush. And now I'm going to do a mixture of these two colors, and I'm going to apply that on my eyelids. Now I'm going to create a winged eyeliner with the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. And I get the question often to do a winged eyeliner tutorial, but sorry, that's something I'm not going to do since I am just the worst at it. I have a fight with this every time, and I do not have a special way that I do it. It's just every time something else. I'm really bad at it, so I cannot teach people what I do. Now I'm going to apply these lashes from Umu, and these are in the style, by the way, the products are always down below if I forget to mention something. Also applied some mascara. I always apply some mascara before I'm applying my lashes. I noticed that when I did clients, I stopped with that by the way, but when I did that they were always like, huh? Why do you apply mascara? You're going to apply lashes, right? They always tell me that they apply it after, but if you apply it after, together with your lashes will revive last longer. And if you just apply some mascara before and then apply lashes, then you can actually wear these for so long. So these are in the style Every Moment Matters. Always using my Huda Beauty lash glue, but if you cannot work with black lash glue, if you're not that good yet at applying lashes, then I would not recommend you a black eyelash glue, but a clear lash glue like the Duo lash glue, the green one, because that one doesn't have the bad ingredients in it. I'm using the Huda Beauty lash glue because this is the only lash glue where I'm not allergic to. I have really sensitive eyes, unfortunately. I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Retouch Primer. I have been loving this primer because it fills in the pores. It also moisturizes my skin. My skin is now really dry. And now I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty foundation, which is amazing. In my first impression Fenty Beauty video, is also on my channel. I tried it, but I requested the wrong shade. They were so sweet to send me another color, and this one is my color, and it's in the color 210. I slept so good this night. I bought a bed. I've been sleeping on the ground for 2.5 months or 3 months because I needed to sleep in my living room because, yeah, I explained all of that in my vlogs. Now everything is fixed, alhamdulillah, and I have a bed. I slept on the cold ground because there's no warmer in the ground here. So it was cold the whole time, and now I finally have a bed. I'm so happy. I'm looking at it every time and smiling. It slept so good, and I will upload my vlog this Monday, so then you can see what bed I got. What do you guys think of when people say new year, new me? I feel like it's good if you want to like upgrade yourself, or you want to work on yourself, be a better person of yourself. But what I think, why would you like wait till that moment to do that? When I want to do something, I do it right away. I do not make a goal like I'm going to exercise, I'm going to be more kind to people, or those kind of things. I do think it's really good that you want to work on yourself, but I'm like, why not just start right away and wait till one point? And if it doesn't work that moment, are you then again going to wait another year? Like, okay, let's try it next year. I don't know. For me, if I want to like change something, like maybe start working out, I do that right away. I'm not going to wait till a new year moment. But yeah, everybody their thing, and everybody needs to do what works for them. So now I'm going to apply the Huda Beauty concealer. I haven't used it in a while, and it's actually really good, so finally using it. That's too bright. I do not like a too bright concealer. Wow, do you see how much that covered my dark circles? I don't know what's happening with my skin. I've been trying to get it back to normal again. I think it's the weather and that I have the heater on the whole time. But I got all these small bumps on my forehead now and on my nose. I think I'm going to get eczema again on these places, but I have those really dry spots. Now I'm going to use the Ben Nye Cameo powder to set and bake. I'm going to use this Jouer Bronzer Duo Light to Medium Bronzer Duo. And I'm going to use this Smith 151 brush. I received these brushes I think a week back, and I've never used Smith brushes, so this is going to be my first time trying them. I really wanted to try them. I'm also using a Smith brush, the 157 brush, and I'm not wiping, I'm only pressing the product in. And I'm not contouring my nose, I'm just giving my nose a little bit of a color. I'm going to go in with this 10 color blush palette from BH Cosmetics. By the way, you guys need to try out BH Cosmetics if you haven't already. Their products are really good. Really good. I've been using some of their new eyeshadow palettes. They are also amazing. The blushes, the highlighters, they are all amazing. I'm going into this color here, also with a Smith brush. This is, by the way, not sponsored. I just wanted to try all the brushes out that I received, but this is the 154 brush. And I'm applying a little bit more as that I would usually do, because I need that in this look, because it's really cool toned right now. Didn't want it to go for that, but maybe that's going to work great with the red lipstick. Now I'm going to go in with the highlighter, the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia. Also with a Smith brush, the 104. Okay, this is better. Glow. Cannot live without glow. I'm going to try that soon. Just a full matte makeup look. I'm going to apply the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. Do not spray too much with this spray, because you will look like a glazed donut, or how you call that, just an oily boil of fat. I don't know. You will just look really oily. Totally forgot to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, so I'm going to use same highlighter and my Sigma Lash Fan E04. I can almost not read the letters anymore on it because I've used it so often. And my inner corner. I'm going to blend that mustard color on my lower lash line. And for my brows, I'm going to apply the Benefit Gimme Brow to finish up my brows. And now I'm going to bring this look to life with the red lipstick. I'm going to start off with one of my favorite lip formulas, and that's the NYX lip liner, matte lip liner in the color Spicy. Then on top of that, I'm going to apply this caked lipstick in the color Power Trip. At the end, it turned out the way I wanted it to turn out. I don't mind the cool tone eyeshadow because it really goes with the red color, the red lipstick. Hope you guys like the look. I think I will I think I will have one more video up or 2 more videos up before New Year. If you do not watch those videos, I want to tell you right now, Happy New Year. I hope you guys enjoy the day or the night. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.